All right, so directions for 2 through 9, solve and graph each inequality. All right, so for number 2, to get the x by itself here, we subtract 9 from both sides. This makes 0. We get x greater than -1 minus 9 is -10. All right, so to graph that, greater than -10. So I'm going to put -10 in the center, around -9 and -11. Open circle, right, because it's greater than, does not have the or equal to. Greater than's to the right. So there's what our graph would look like for number 2. 3, to get the variable by itself here, we would need to add 12 to both sides of the inequality. 3 plus 12 makes 15. So to get that, I've been recommending you put the variable first. So if you switch this, it's x is greater than or equal to 15. Notice because it's open to the x, right? It is pointing at the 15, so you have to keep that consistent there. And to graph that, let's see. If 15 is in the center, this would be 16, this would be 14. So greater than, right? Open to the variable, so it's greater than, but it contains the or equal to, so we need to shade that in. So there's 3, 4, should say greater than or equal to. So -2x is greater than or equal to -16. Divide by -2 on both sides to get the x by itself. But when we divide by a negative number, we need to flip the inequality sign here from greater than to less than or equal to. So that's x less than or equal to 8, right? Because -16 divided by -2 is +8. And to graph it, 8's in the center, this would be 9, this would be 7. Less than or equal to 8 would be from 8 to the left. This is shaded because, again, it contains the or equal to on the inequality. And let's see, make some room for 5. 5x plus 3 less than -17. So it's a two-step. You need to subtract 3 first, right? Follow the reverse of the order of operations. It's 5x less than -20. And then divide by 5. We get x is less than -4. That's our answer. We don't flip the inequality. Just because it's a negative answer, we don't flip it. We only flip the inequality sign in cases like number 4, where we divide both sides by a negative, or we multiply both sides by a negative. So here, graphing this real quick, that's -4, -3, -5, less than -4, open circle to the left because it is less than.